Frank Higgins always gets the good stuff. I'll show him. I got this new app on my computer. I'll transport in someone from the 1800s. A worker from the Transcontinental Railroad. Holy moly!
Where am I?
You're GBTV, Iowa.
GBTV.
We're going to interview you.
About what?
The Transcontinental Railroad.
That's what I'm working on right now.
I'm just going to ask you a few questions.
Alrighty, let's do it.
Why is the Transcontinental Railroad so important to build?
Well, during the 1800s, most people traveled by horse and buggy. They didn't really have a fast way of getting from one side of the country to the other. So horse and buggy pretty much was it. Took a long time, sometimes up to 30 days to travel all the way across the country. And it's pretty dangerous on a horse and buggy. Rough terrain, Indians, lots of bad things that could happen. So the railroad was put together between the Pacific and the Atlantic to connect people. And also to reduce travel time, all the way down to about 6 days versus 30 before.
When did the building of the railroad start?
The start of the railroad took place in 1863, where the first tracks were laid in Omaha, Nebraska. And it got off to a slow start because of money, because at the same time the Civil War was in progress.